It shows you how much Sam changed that he would even think about going after Third Echelon. He'd been a company man, loyal to the bone. But now, here he was, ready to rip the guts out of the beast. The building's weakness was in the power supply. The main feed and primary backup ran through the basement parking garage. With a little C4 in the right places, Sam could cut the power to the building long enough to slip inside Third Echelon. That was good enough for Sam. He was going in, and he wanted them to know he was coming.
Sam, are you in the garage?
I smell like a spare tire.
It was the best way. Now I need you to use the C4 you packed to take out the building's primary and secondary transformers. Do it simultaneously when you reach the front desk, and you'll have a short window before the emergency power puts security back online.
They're both on the parking level, right?
Right, but in 2 separate rooms. And don't be seen or they're gonna seal the security doors and you're done. And don't give those surveillance cameras a show.
Lock down all the external garage access.
Worried about someone wandering in by accident?
Unless they've got a way to crack the new encryption routine on the keycards.
I still think we should have gone with palm print scanners on the elevator for redundancy.
It's Reed's call, not ours. He thinks we're secure, so I guess we're secure.
Forget it, Sam. They know you're there and the building's going into lockdown.
Clear to me.
We need to lock down all the external garage access.
What the hell was that?
Any sign of hostiles, report location immediately.
Roger that. Keep your eyes open.
Get a move on, Sam. My contact on the inside just sent me a text. Security's looking for him. He's a techie named Charlie Fryman. And before you ask, yes, I trust him.
Well, that was good enough for me. Where is he?
Near the server room. Get to him before security does, or he won't be able to help you.
never gets old.
The building's going into lockdown. They know you're there. It's over.